Well, with the Torx 20, took these screws. This one is 10 millimeter. You have to take the air filter cap off to get to the inner bolt. It's another 10 millimeter bolt. This one. Alright, once you take the box off, you have to take those four throttle body bolts. They're 5 millimeter Allen, and this Torx 30, this little screw. And you can use a flathead screwdriver for this. Once you take those off, you can just pull your coils out. You need the assistance of this little screwdriver. For the spark plugs, you need a 14 millimeter 12-point socket. It's also used on some Mini Coopers and other kinds of BMWs. There you go. Just repeat the same for the other side and put it all back together.